Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com. This is a special Laurie Webb winter weather update. I'm going to try to explain to you what I expect to happen over the weekend and into Monday morning. Today we'll just start out with mostly sunny skies, and it's going to be cold today and even colder tonight. And then more colder air moves in tomorrow ahead of a system that's moving out of the Midwest down to the southeast into the metro area. So tomorrow should start out maybe even partly sunny, but become cloudy by the middle of the day. And we could see some light snow developing late in the afternoon hours. Models still not in real good agreement as to when this snow will start. They're all in agreement that we should get some snow overnight, Sunday night into Monday morning. Some of the models show it beginning maybe 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon tomorrow, and then others look at 10 p.m. or maybe even closer to midnight. All of them show snow continuing throughout most of the day on Monday. Monday is going to be extremely cold with high temperatures in the lower 20s with snow falling. Models indicate maybe some of this snow will be moderate snow. We originally thought it would be a dry snow with just those real small flakes flying around that would not accumulate a lot, but it looks like now that the atmosphere above us is going to be more moisture laden, and we could see some fairly decent snowflakes falling, particularly Sunday morning. Now the range of accumulation is rather broad with this system, maybe 3 inches to 8 inches across the area. There will be snow bands across the area where there'll be 6 inches or so of snow. Then there'll be other lesser bands or areas where there may just be 3 inches of snow or so. So it's kind of difficult for me to say exactly what's going to fall in your area, but across the Mid-South, let's say from Dyersburg all the way down to maybe the Batesville area. In that area, snowfall should range between 3 and 8 inches, depending on where you are. So my forecast shows 3 to 5 inches right here in DeSoto County. Could be more. People continue to ask about the BMHI. That's an index that I created years ago, kind of lighthearted. It stands for Bread Milk Hysteria Index. You know how excited everybody gets when they hear a snowflake will fall, and they head to the grocery stores and they clear the aisles of the bread and the milk. Well, that's what the BMHI does, and it ranges from no impact to extreme impacts. Now, if we're in the 3 to 4 inch range, we should have a moderate impact, or a 3 on the BMH scale. If we end up with 5 or 6 inches of snow, then that bumps it right to the major category, which means there will be difficulties in doing the normal things like driving around and going outside and those things. I don't expect high winds, so I don't expect really any major impacts with electricity and those type things, but the cold overnight temperatures down in the single digits Monday night and Tuesday night could cause some issues, but we'll wait and see. So that's the Laurie Webb winter weather update. I thought I would use this forum to just kind of explain what's going on. It's difficult to ascertain snow accumulation totals because of the moisture content that might be in the snow. A typical ratio is 10 to 1. If you have 1 inch of rain, you would have 10 inches of snow. If it's a dry snow, it's 15 to 1. You have 1 inch of rain, you'd have 15 inches of snow. But if it's a wet snow, maybe 8 to 1, then it's even less. So the difference between a 1/4 inch of rain and 3/4 inches of rain, if I predicted that, you wouldn't really care. It's just wet outside. A 1/4 inch of rain might mean 2.5 inches of snow. 3/4 inch of rain equivalent would mean 7.5 inches. So anyway, I just wanted to explain that to you. I'm Sam Reichert. Thanks for watching. I'll give other updates as the needs arise.